So we're back here at this house in Metro Vancouver to give you an update on the progress. We've got our roof installed, our house wrap on the wall, windows and doors installed. We're at lockup stage. We've got a number of our Hitch SD Clips up, and I'd like to walk you through and just show you kind of some of the tips and tricks that we've used to get us to this point. So let me walk you down this side of the house. This side represents a good open area of field wall area that I can kind of highlight the spacing of our clips and how we establish that. Now, maybe I'll start by explaining this house is going to have horizontal tongue and groove plank cladding, 6-inch in particular. And with having it be horizontal, that means I want vertical girts, right? So our vertical girts are going to land from bottom to top. And with considering our cladding dead load and the local wind load in this area, we calculated the spacing of our clips, and we ended up at 32-inch spacing across the wall, so every other stud, by 48 inches up the wall.
I thought I'd show you what that spacing looks like on our elevation.
One of the unique attributes of Hitch, it's really strong. So the clips are super strong and the girts are fairly rigid. We offer a few different sizes of girts. This house we're going to be using our 3/4 girt. And that girt, we can allow up to a 12-inch cantilever. So that's why here you might pick out that I've got my clip above the bottom plate of my wall and my pour strip of my concrete foundation. So I'm able to cover over that with cantilevering that girt, and my cladding will end up starting somewhere in this area here. So from there, I'll go up. So clips, I've started by going 12 inches. It's actually 12 inches to the top of my clip, just to be safe. So I end up netting at about 10.5 inches to center. That way I've got a bit of plus minus allowance on the bottom, and then work my way up from there. So from there, I'm gonna go 48 inches up. So that's my established typical spacing of clips, or my tributary area of clips.